Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a small project which is like you can say mini project by using Apple numbers. Let me show you what we are trying to do. So at first this is Apple numbers I just opened, and if we try to create a new documents we can click file, new, and on the template page we can click education and there is attendance. If we try to create it by using this template, it will show us this type of template. Our goal is to create exactly similar to like that, not exactly like similar to that, so that you can learn how to do in Apple numbers. This is not the tutorial to make this thing. This is the tutorial to show you how you can learn and you can make your own this type of attendance sheet for your own project. So I'm going to show you this thing from beginning till end. And here we see there is 2 lines of text on its name of the class, teacher's name, and attendance sheet October 2024. And there is a small table. It has date column and some name column, and some checkboxes are there. Also date on by 1, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till 23rd. Okay, there is nothing, and then there is checkboxes and couple of checkboxes are checked, and at the end it has the sum, right? Like from here to here, sum, what is the total value. Like there is one checkbox, if we click here there will be two count like that. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to create a table like this. So before doing that we need to add these two title first, right? But I'm not going to show you this thing right now. Let me create the table first. So let's check how many columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 column, and there is total how many table rows, like 24 rows, and there is 25. This is the footer. So I'm going to create this type of table. Okay, so now I'm going to keep it here so that I can check time to time. So now this is the blank like sheet for Apple numbers, right? We are going to add a table first. So I'm going to click table and it will bring this type of like theme. So like here this is a simple table, so I'm going to choose this and this, but the color is not same. I will change the color later. Now we need to change the table rows and columns, right? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 columns are there. So let me create 9 columns here. So I'm going to click format, and then it will bring this sidebar. Now from the table section we have to come rows and column this section. So here we have to type like 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 column, and how many rows? 24 rows. And so here it will be 24 rows and 9 column. And once we type everything over there, we have to hit return key. Okay, and this table looks similar to like that, right? And now there is one footer. So here we see there is 24 rows are there. So for adding a footer we can come to this section. So this is the footer. Right now it is 0, so I'm going to increase it 1, and it should be added on footer. But this 25, this is treated as a footer, right? So we need to increase a little bit, like 25. So this will be the footer last one. Now here we have date column. So I'm going to type date over here. For the first tutorial I'm going to copy the entire text, Ctrl C, and then I'm going to paste everything over here. File, not file, edit, then paste and message style. So it will paste everything over there. See here, like that. So now this table has like this type of border. So let me do that thing. So I'm going to select the table anywhere, then I'm going to come I'm going to click cell section, and then we have to choose this option, and I'm going to increase this point, I mean the width of this text line. So I'm going to put it 1, Okay, and I'm going to change the color to black. For example, we can change the color from here black. So here only one cell is selected. So what we need to do, we need to click anywhere, control, not control, command key A. It will select the entire table. Now we need to change this style. We have to click here and then we have to increase a little bit, and I'm going to choose black color, and we can click here, and here we see there is check boxes are there like that. Now we need to create this date thing, right? Like 10 on 2 like this way. So I'm going to type the date column same like that, 10/1, the same data. You can actually add your own data. Now we need to complete till the end, right? So I'm going to zoom a little bit, I mean decrease the font size so that it will be hit in on page very easily. So here it's very easy to see what we are doing. So now from row 2 to 25 we have to increase this value. So what we can do, so first is 10, then I'm going to type 10/2. Now we need to choose both the cell, and then I'm going to increase till 24, and here it is auto incrementing the date like this, right? So it's done. Now this color is blue color. I'm going to select all this text. So here this is black color, so I'm going to choose all this text, and then I'm going to click text icon, text tab basically, and from here I'm going to choose the color is like blue color, but here there is no blue, so I have to click this circle, and from here I can choose this blue color, okay, or this blue color. This will be much easier to check look basically, and I'm going to make it bold so that it is easily visible like this, right? Now here there is total. I'm going to type total here. So this column is done, right? Completely this column is done. Now we need to add the checkboxes all of these areas, right? So these are the checkboxes. Now let's do one thing. Click anywhere, I mean the second column I am choosing randomly, and then after that come to the cell section. We need to fill this in checkbox. So inside the data format there should be some option, right? So I'm going to click here, it will be expanded, and from here we have to choose this option, checkbox. So this is a checkbox. I'm going to click here, and a checkbox will be added over there. So like this, right? Now what we need to do, we need to copy this checkbox entire area. So I'm going to drag till the end, it will be copied, and then what we can do, we can select everything together, and then again we'll see a small yellow color is there. I'm going to drag till the end, and it will give us the checkbox like this. Now we need to count the total number of items here, right? These are the boxes, we need to put the values. So right now there is nothing checked, so it will not show anything, but we can type the formula. So I'm going to click here and then start typing equal sign, and it will give us the formula bar. Here I just need to find a function which is called count if, and if we click here it will be auto filled. Now we have to tell the array, this section I have to tell, so based on this it will count, and the condition, it should be true. There should be two possibility, one is checked, unchecked, right? The other is unchecked. So if it is checked then it is true, otherwise not. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to click this area, and here it is showing the total count is 0. Now if I click here, you'll see it is increasing, right? It is increasing, right? Like that. Now we can copy the exact formula here for other footer area, and it will count like this way. We can test it. If we click here, see here it is changing, click here, changing, here changing, here changing. That means everything is working fine. Now what are the other things is remaining? So here we did everything basically, only this table color is remaining. So I'm going to select this area, and then I'm going to change the color from here, and I'm going to choose this color, for example, like deep blue color, and here it is looking like that. Okay, now the other things remaining. The other thing is that this table doesn't have any title or any caption, so I'm going to delete this thing, disable this thing. So I'm going to click table, and I'm going to format table, and then I'm going to uncheck title so that it will be removed. Now we have this text remaining, so I'm going to copy this text so that we can easily complete quickly. I'm going to copy this text, and now we need to drag this thing a little bit, and we need to add a text block. I'm going to click here, a text block will be added here. Now we just need to paste that text, and here is the text, so like this. Now there is another section, attendance sheet, so I'm going to copy the same way the text, copy, and I'm going to add a text again, and here is the text, and I'm going to paste it over there, and I'm going to increase this size by dragging here. So here the format is different, but you can change your own format, and the text size probably different, that is fine. Now only one thing is remaining, that is this green line. So now let's work for that. So I'm going to click shape, and then there is a single line under basic. I'm going to click here, and this shape will be added. Now it is looking like that, so we need to put it like 0, for example 0, it will be straight. Now we need to click here, put it here, and drag till the end, this on. So I'm going to drag till the end, and the color is like green color, so I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to change the color. So we can jump to the style, and then we can click this color, and we can choose green color, but green color is not there, so I'm going to click this circle, and I'm going to use this green color, for example. Okay, and I'm going to increase the width of this line, so I'm going to increase a little bit, not this way. For example, I am going to type here like 3, and it will be like that, and we can close it, and now we can drag it, and we can also drag this thing like that, and here it is. So this was our expected output. I mean, this was our expectation. We want to create this, and we just created this one, and there is a small alignment like this. The like what is called, we have the cell length is much big, but here the cell length is small, so we can actually select all the cell, and then we can decrease those things like this way, and that's it. So hopefully by watching this video you will be able to create this type of attendance sheet from scratch, and that's it. In this way we can easily create this type of attendance sheet inside Apple numbers, and it is very easy and simple, and you can customize later based on your own need. Thank you guys for watching the video.